In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recolor something in Affinity Photo. We'll walk through a simple, reliable workflow so you can change the color of any object while keeping its natural shading and detail. Start by getting set up in your Affinity Photo workspace. Have the app open and ready, and make sure your project is created or a document is available to work on. Next, bring in the image you want to edit. You can open it directly or drag and drop it into the canvas. Give it a moment to load so the preview is crisp before you move on. At the top of the interface, switch to the pixel persona, sometimes referred to as pixel view. This puts you in the right mode for precise, pixel-based adjustments and selections. Choose the selection brush tool from the toolbar. With it active, paint over the area you intend to recolor. Adjust brush size as you go for tight corners or broader swaths, and if you include too much, switch to subtract mode to trim your selection. Aim for clean edges around the subject. Zoom in to refine tricky boundaries like hairlines, fabric edges, or reflective surfaces. Softening the edge slightly can help the new color blend more naturally with the background. Once your selection looks solid, head to the Adjustments panel on the right. Click Recolor. You'll see controls for hue, saturation, and lightness. Slide the hue to target your new color, increase or decrease saturation for vibrancy, and nudge lightness to match the original scene's brightness. Because Recolor creates an adjustment layer, you can fine-tune non-destructively. For a more realistic result, set the adjustment layer's blend mode to color in the Layers panel. This preserves highlights and shadows while swapping only the hue. If the effect feels too strong, lower the layer's opacity until it sits comfortably in the image. Take a final look around the edges to ensure everything blends well. And that's it. You've successfully recolored your subject in Affinity Photo with a clean, controllable workflow that's easy to reuse on future images.